All right, what's going on? It is the OCPD coach, and I hope everybody is doing well. It's a lot going on, guys. Please stay safe. Rest in peace to Charlie Kirk, and 9/11 is today. So we want to just remember those who lost their lives on this day, and it's a crazy world we're living in. So please stay safe out here. Show love every day, and remember that this life that we live in this earth is very temporary. It's a temporary vessel on a greater destination. All right. So that being said, I want to hop right into my weekly updates to show you guys where I'm at. I don't have my computer set up today, so I have no camera and I have no sound effects. So bear with me and we'll get right through it. So things I have done. Got a lot of wipe time in already this week. I checked my mail. I decided not to renew my P.O. Box subscription, so I actually let it lapse since I'm doing a different route for my mail. Building a budget for DIY and personal payments, all that good stuff. I did build a budget out. Happy about that. Due billing. I'm not sure why due billing is right there because I have not done billing. And I'm wondering if I accidentally slid something over that wasn't supposed to come over yet. So let me move due billing back to do. There we go. All right, keep going. So Shannon didn't have soccer practice this week because it was storming. Trademark check-in, I did it, no updates yet. Read my Bible for 30 minutes, got that time in. Updated my home and wish list budget. Spent a lot of time with my son. OCPD Coach Sunday stream, we knocked that out. Play test fix. So I actually did one thing so far, which is updating Jameson's name, spelling in the game, and then working out at least 2 days a week. Just been having a lot of wrestling matches with my son, and that's been helping me out. I have a lot of stuff to do, guys. I'm going to be completely honest with you. OCPD Coach Thursday update. Let me move that to done so I can feel so I can think I'm making some progress. But I did completely get off of my Adderall last week, completely just cold turkey. And I've been on it for over a year, so it's still taking me some adjusting, a lot of adjusting to just figure out exactly what needs to be done to keep my motivation up after I get off from work. Because when I get off from work, I'm exhausted mentally, and I'm pretty tapped out. So I'm still trying to get it figured out, but we will get it resolved and we get things done. So baby stepping, what I might have to do, I'm going to have to really push and go crazy with my hyper focus to get the rest of this stuff done. My son's soccer game tomorrow. That'll be an easy win. Outside of that, in progress, still working on that ability systems, triggering impacts, and then building the match flow with AI ability cards. This is what I've been doing for the most part, is building that AI match flow. I actually did a move the indicator for payphone higher than payphone. I did that, so that was an easy win. I got a couple other easy wins that I'll try to get to just to knock some stuff off this list. But otherwise, guys, I'm confident. I know it seems like I have a lot of stuff to do because I do. But I'm not feeling overwhelmed with stuff. I think things are progressing as they should. And that is my Thursday update. If you guys want to check in, I'll be doing some work on Saturday on the DIY Interactive YouTube channel. And you can tune in at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. We'll be getting some work done. And then we have our planning session on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time on the OCPD Coach channel. And that being said, I hope you guys keep fighting for your life. Again, stay safe, please. Y'all have a great one. Talk to you later. Peace.